Installing a leakage sensor. Install the leakage sensor in the tray. Make sure the labeled side is facing up. Connect the leakage sensor to the power distribution board. Route the leakage sensor cable as shown. Mylar cable retaining tabs are attached to the middle and bottom walls of the tray. Insert the DIMM tool into each cable retaining tab to open them, and then insert the leakage sensor cable into the tabs. Place the end of the cable next to the MCIO4 connector on the system board assembly in Node B. Install the front and the rear cross braces, and then fasten the Phillips No. 1 screws to secure them. Install the tray cover.